Alright, what's going on, traders? So today is May 18th, and we are on Wednesday. And I'm not even gonna lie, today I got a little impatient. And basically, what I wanted to do is I wanted to make some money. I wanted to make a trade. We're 3 days into the week. I hadn't make a single trade, so I saw UPST here, and I rushed the trade. Located 200 shares of it, and I scaled in. But I got stopped out for a $502 loss. So, fortunately, give up about half of the gains from last week on one trade. So, as you can see right here from these triangles, these red triangles, I got in first at 49.30. The reason why is I thought 50 was kind of like going to be a mental area. So I wanted a little piece on it. I got in with a small 100 shares and went up to that and started going back on the daily. And if you go way back, start looking at these levels down here. All back. And right over here. Started seeing a little bit of resistance over here around this 53 here, 52. Fortunate for me, I did not scale in properly. Scaled in too large, too fast. And also I kind of forget about the max drawdown I have on this broker account, the 500. So took a hit, and the hit is right here, the $502 hit. You can see my 200 shares. I had an average at the end of 50.42, and I had a cover at 52.93, which is really stupid on my part. I should have thought more about that when I first started in. Fortunately, sometimes these things happen. You have to take the hit. My computer right now is going to be shut down. It's part of this brokerage thing. I cannot trade anymore today. Originally, we were going to be trying to trade VERU. It just did not get there for me. Did not get to that point. It had a nice drop, but I just didn't want to chase it down. And again, it's very tricky with an account this size and a max drawdown of $500. So today got sloppy, got impatient, didn't line up for my perfect shot, which is interesting because VERU had no problem waiting on this, and then this one hit my scanner, and went for it a little too early. As you can see right now, it's still just bouncing around this area. Who knows if we can get a drop. I was originally planning for about 48 to 47. But this thing showed a lot of strength. So unfortunately, I had to take the hit. It is what it is. Covered at a higher cost. You can see right up here. You can see my multiple entries and the exit, that green triangle. And yeah, I had to cover at pretty much right now at this point in time at the very top. Very sloppy trade. Very, very sloppy. Literally covered, was it 7 cents from the top? Pretty much like 6 cents from the top. 6 cents, guys. And you know what? Let's watch it for a second. The average was $50.43. Sorry, yeah, 43 basically. And right here, we pretty much at almost break even. Just gonna see. I want to see if it breaks down over here. Whatever. Don't want to prolong this video. Again, disappointing trade. Very disappointed. The impatience got to me. I have feelings about it to give it itself up right now. Yeah, with this little candle right here, I think we're gonna push down this next one. Anyway, shares, I'm not gonna sit here and prolong this. You can always go on your own time and look it up to see what happened. But yeah, taking losses is part of the game. Controlled losses, though, that's where you stay in it for a while. Alright, traders. Tomorrow, we're gonna come back into this a nice, fresh, clean slate, clear mind. I always want to say I'm going to go back into trade and get that loss back, but I don't want to be revenge trading. So I'm going to take my time with it and really look for these good setups. But disappointing trade. Alright, traders. Have a good one.